What's up, buds? Welcome to Jay's Tasty Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm making scrambled eggs cheesecake. And I have my tasty cap and my custom-made apron, both custom-made. Alright, so let's get to this. This is delicious. I've made this before I had the YouTube channel, and it was delicious. So I thought, I would make it again. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we need is 4 ounces of cream cheese, or half a cup of cream cheese. What you could do, you could take a spoon and then put it in here. And there's a recipe I followed, and I'll leave that video link in the description. The video actually said 125 grams, so I had to Google that, how many ounces that was, and it was 4 ounces, which is half a cup. So yeah, I'll just say half a cup. And make sure your hands are clean for this, especially now with the pandemic going on.
We'll come back when that's done.
It's almost done.
Okay. You have a bit on your finger. Be careful.
All right, it's done.
Okay. You still have that bit on your finger.
Yeah. Anyway, after I put this in, I'll pause it and wash my hands.
Okay.
Alright, well, this is as much as I could get out.
Okay.
So yeah, let me just wash my hands because I
Okay,
got some
hold
on
on.
my fingers.
So let's come back.
Alright, bud, so I just rinsed my eggs, and we have to use 3 of them. Let me just wash my hands because now I have the egg yolk on it.
Sure.
Alright, bud, so I just washed my hands, and now we need half a cup of sugar, granulated sugar. Or you could do some of this. You could, like, level it out. Alright, so here
That
it
looks
is.
good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So next we need half a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh yeah, what I recommend you do, because sometimes, you know, if you open the whole thing, like, you know, a whole bunch, you know, pours out. So just poke a hole on top of it, and yeah. And this is half a teaspoon. All right, now we're gonna beat this until well combined with a hand beater.
Hand mixer?
Hand mixer, yeah. This looks like scrambled eggs.
It does.
So that's basically what it
We're gonna pause this till it's done.
is pretty much well combined.
Okay.
So now the next thing we'll do is you'll just use whatever pan you use to cook scrambled eggs, and of course spray it so it doesn't stick.
Okay. So we're gonna wash that and then
Yeah.
we'll come back.
All right, bud. So now it's time to spray the pan, of course, so it doesn't stick. There you go. And then you could just you'll just cook these like you would with normal scrambled eggs, which you'll just, you know, preheat the pan on a medium heat for 1 minute, like you would, you know, if you were making regular scrambled eggs. So yeah, I'll pause this until the timer goes off. I just set a timer for the pan to preheat.
Okay.
Alright, bud, so the pan is done preheating, and now we're gonna pour it in. And yeah, I like to use this to, like, you know, whisk it around.
We have a nickname for it?
Eggy.
Eggy, yeah.
I feel like we haven't used that nickname in a while, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember the nickname though. You did too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because he's shaped like an egg.
Mm-hmm.
And he's actually to whisk eggs.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I guess you can whisk other things, but I mean, it's really kind of small, so it's mostly for eggs.
Yeah.
You know?
And for the cooking time, just however long you would cook scrambled eggs.
Okay, we're gonna pause it right now. Okay?
Alright, bud, so this is just me, you know, scrambling it, you know. Some parts are already becoming solid and starting to cook, but it's still not quite ready. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Okay, we'll get back to that when it's...
It smells good.
Oh, yeah? Let me smell. It does smell good. Alright, we'll come back.
Alright, bud, so this is done cooking, and it smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so I'm going to turn the heat off and put it on a plate.
Okay.
And serve it with some salchichas. What I'll do, I'll wash this pan, and then I'll spray it and then grill the salchicha, like, you know, on the pan.
Okay, sounds good. Oh, those are the spicy ones, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's for you, not for me.
Mm-hmm. Alright, bud, so now I'm gonna fry up the Vienna sausages or salchichas. Spray the pan so you know they don't stick. Turn the heat to medium. And just put them in. And I'll just use this to move them around. So yeah, so we want them nice and charred, nice and grilled. You could even do this. There you go.
Okay, we'll come back when they're grilled.
Alright, bud, so I just served mine with some salchichas or Vienna sausages. You could serve it with, you know, whatever you want, whatever meat you want, you know. But yeah, I just did this. So let's try it. It's so good, just like when I last made it. So yeah, it's like cheesecake, but with eggs instead of the graham cracker crust. Yep, salchicha is nicely grilled. Alright, bud, so hope you enjoyed, and peace out to Brooklyn till next video.